Today, we're going to talk about high energy and positivity, which you might think, what does this have to do with the GMAT? Well, first off, a student asked about why I have so much high energy and why I'm so positive, and it made me think, well, that's an interesting question, but also something that can apply to your GMAT studies. It's easy to get down on yourself, it's easy to lose motivation, but if you approach life in a couple of different ways, ways that'll give you high energy and keep you positive, I think it'll actually help you prepare for the GMAT and do well. So, my first tip for being positive and cultivating, and having high energy is cultivating curiosity. The world is a fascinating place. There's so much out there that we do not know. There's so much mystery, and so many things that are so curious about the world, whether it's the people around you, the world, the sort of environment you live in. And so if you can cultivate a little curiosity about the things that are around you in your life and not accept that you just know how things are, I think you'll find that you have a lot of energy to explore and to learn new things. Second, this is hopefully not entirely obvious, but eat well, rest up, and get a little exercise. There is a lot of very good science that shows that what we eat, how much sleep we get, and getting a little exercise has a dramatic effect on our well-being and also on our ability to learn things. So, make sure you're eating some salads, make sure that you're getting to bed early and getting up early, and then get a little exercise. Whether it's, even if you're just going for a walk for 30 minutes during the day, that'll help to distract you from your studies, and also it'll help you to focus when you come back to your studies. This is one of my favorites, laugh and smile. It's amazing what a little laughter and some smiling can do for our well-being and positivity. Sometimes it's hard to laugh. I understand there's tough things that happen in life, but as much as you can, try to smile, try to laugh. I'm sure there are things on the internet that always make you laugh, so go look at those things when you're feeling less positive than usual. And if there's nothing to laugh about, then maybe you should insert a little silliness into the world, and that will make others laugh, and you can laugh as well. Next, serve others. Go out and help other people, whether it be a family member, a friend, or a complete stranger. If you invest your time and energy in helping others and fulfilling their needs, you'll be amazed by how fulfilled you will be and how positive you will feel about the world. So get involved. It doesn't have to be like this big thing where you go and volunteer. Maybe it's just cooking dinner for your family, or cooking dinner for a friend, or picking someone up from the airport, or helping someone move. Do something small, serve someone else, and you'll find that it'll make you a little more positive about the world. Finally, and this is actually the best one, make the choice. You get to choose how you react to the things that exist in this world. I understand that there are a lot of bad things that happen. That's okay. It's all right to feel sad. Sometimes it's, you need to embrace those feelings. There are a lot of depressing things that do happen, but on average, when you're going through life day to day, there are so many things to be positive about. So when you wake up in the morning, make the choice to be happy, be positive, and to have a high energy, because you get to choose. It's your choice. That's the power that you have. All right, I hope these tips help you to be positive and happy, and also to dominate the GMAT. If you want more tips on how to dominate the GMAT, head over to gmat.magoosh.com. And if you enjoy listening to me talk about the GMAT and how to prepare, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, be excellent to the universe.